If your PlayStation 5 is stuck on the loading screen, it can be frustrating. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. Step 1. Power cycle the console. Turn off your PlayStation 5 completely by holding the power button until you hear a second beep. Unplug the power cord from the wall and wait for at least 60 seconds before plugging it back in and turning it on. Step 2. Boot into safe mode. To access safe mode, turn off the console, then press and hold the power button until you hear the second beep about 7 seconds. Connect a controller via USB and press the PS button to enter safe mode. Step 3. Rebuild database. In safe mode, select the option to rebuild database. This process scans the drive and creates a new database of all content, which can help fix issues related to loading. Step 4. Update system software. While in safe mode, select the option to update system software. Ensure your console is connected to the internet or use a USB drive with the latest update file to install any available updates. Step 5. Initialize PS5. If the previous steps do not resolve the issue, consider selecting Initialize PS5 in safe mode. This will reset the console to factory settings, so be sure to back up any important data beforehand. If these steps do not resolve the loading screen issue, it may be necessary to contact PlayStation support for further assistance.